Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to your phone settings and then you're going to click on general. Over here, you're going to scroll down till you find the option of AirPlay and continuity. Here, you're going to click on automatically AirPlay and you're going to either click on ask or automatic. Once done, you're going to scroll down on your screen in order to access the control center, and you'll be able to see this option. When you click on it, you'll be able to see all of the devices available for screen mirroring if you have connected your phone to any computer. And if you're not able to find the screen mirroring option, you can click on the plus icon at the top left and then click on add a control at the bottom. Here, you'll be able to see screen mirroring option. Click on it and you'll be able to see screen mirroring right in front of you. Simply click on it, select any device you want, and that's it. So that is basically how you can turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.